Hi and welcome. In a previous video you learned how to add a background image or graphic to your book project. If you missed that, just scoot on back and watch it and bring yourself up to speed. Now in this video we're going to learn how to save out your book project when it's finished. So let's crack on. My name's Ken Fisher and this is LiveLink Training. So let's start here with this book project that I've created. Now at the moment it's not saved, so if I navigate away to another module, say, like the develop module, and then I come back to the book module, it'll remember because it's got some built-in memory. So if I close down Lightroom or I have a power cut or anything like that, then it becomes more of a problem if I haven't saved it. So it's important when we have finished and we're happy that it's all tickety-boo that we save it out. Now just before you do that, just cast your eye over these numbers that are at the top of each of the thumbnails in the film strip. Now what these are is how many times these images have been used in your book project. So this has been used once, this has been, but if we look at the first one here, this has got a 2. So this is saying this has been used twice, and this can happen. You can accidentally get the same image in twice when you're working with quite a long book project. But if you hover your mouse over the number and double click, what you'll see is that it will highlight everywhere where that image appears. So it obviously appears here in the front cover and it appears here. Well, I don't mind that because that's on the front cover and this is actually in the project itself. And if I scoot on, let's say, to the back here, I've got another 2. And if I double click on that one, say at the moment, we'll see that we've got obviously this one here. And then if I just scroll down and just see if we can find it. There it is. That's the one. So I know that I've got that one duplicated. But I'm happy because it's on the back cover and it's in the project as well. It's just something to check, so if you do find duplicates you can change them out for different images. So I know I am only using my images once. So once you've fixed any problems that you want, it's now time to save the book layout. Now if we go over here we'll see that it says unsaved book. This is telling me that the book has not yet been saved. Now we can save it out by clicking on the button at the other side, the create saved book, or we can go down to the collections panel and click on the plus and create book, and I'm going to do that, and that'll bring up the create book dialog. I'll call this one York book, and I'm going to put it inside, but I want it inside my book projects. And I don't need to make virtual copies and I don't need to set a target collection. So I can now click create. Now when you do that you'll notice it creates a special collection with a special little icon with a little book on. Now if we just clear this layout, so I'll go clear the layout altogether. I'll go to my library module now. And you can see that in the collections panel we've still got this York book. But if I move across to this little arrow here, it says open book when I hover over it. If I click on that now, it'll bring back all my images that I've used in the project and remember all the settings that I've made to anything that I've done in that book project. So again, at this point in your own project, just make sure that you save out all those settings, and that you can do so by creating what's called a saved book. And now you see this has disappeared and the name of the book appears in this top left hand corner here. Well, that's it for saving out your book project. I do hope you found that useful. If you did, give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment under the video. And if you get a minute, please click that subscribe button and help me grow my Photoshop learning community. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.